Welcome back to Mandalas by Vani YouTube channel. Before we start painting our beautiful mandala, we need to prepare the surface with a smooth and even base coat. This step is simple. Let me discuss a few important things to remember before we begin. Make sure that your surface is clean and dry. If you are using a canvas board, I prefer to apply gesso first to my canvas board. Once my gesso is completely dry, I then apply one more coat of black acrylic paint to get that smooth finish for my dot mandala painting. I prefer this black gesso from US Art Supply brand. If you are using MDF board, plyboard or any wooden bases, you can apply acrylic paint directly. You can choose any color of your choice for your base coating. So I prefer 1-inch flat brush I prefer folk art multi-surface satin finish pure black color. This is acrylic painting. Now let's start base coating. I'm going to pour a little bit at a time. So make sure that your brush is super clean. You can choose any direction, but pick only one direction. I'm doing a back and forth movement here. Apply thin layers. Thick paint takes longer time to dry. Don't rush. Take your time to get a smooth surface. I try to take a pencil and then hold the surface so that it doesn't move. This step is simple, but it makes a huge difference in how your final artwork looks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy dotting!